Oh!
Hey Health Nuts, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikole. In case you're new here, I know we have a lot of new faces here, so welcome. Thanks for supporting my channel and coming back every single week. Today's video, I am sharing what I eat in a day. You guys seem to love these types of videos. I actually have a few on my channel. I'm gonna have a full playlist linked down below in the info box, so definitely check that out if you like these videos and you want to see more. And today we are just gonna do it's kind of gray and rainy outside, and I just feel like I just want some of my staple foods. And I think the best thing is just to start off with like a hydrating, nourishing smoothie, because I love me a smoothie. But before we do that, I'm actually gonna make a wellness shot. One of you guys actually has requested this on Instagram, like DMs. You guys were asking about how I make, or if I've ever made like a turmeric kind of ginger lemon shot. And I buy these a lot at the stores, and they get expensive. They're like $4.50 at my local health food store. And you can make them at home really easily. So we're gonna make that. I'm gonna make two, one for Matt and I, and we're gonna take a shot in the morning. I already drank a bunch of water this morning, so we're gonna do that and then make our breakfast, which today is gonna be a green smoothie. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. All right, Matt, your shot is ready.
Okay,
Shots.
Oh.
Cheers, ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, go.
Go. How was it? Oh! Oh!
There's cayenne in it.
Oh my god! Oh, that is so sour.
It's not that bad. It's just sour.
No, that is.
I put a lot of lemon.
Fuck. Oh, I still can't even open my eyes.
So we are actually just gonna have some breakfast, and then we're gonna hit the gym, hence why I have some gym clothes on. So let's go make our smoothie. My basically every morning breakfast. This is what I like to have most days. If you guys didn't know, I actually have a full how to make the perfect green smoothie printable guide. It's free. I'll have a link for that down below in the info box. And I mean, you guys are always asking me what's in my green smoothies. And I mean, sometimes it changes up, but the formula stays the same. So if you guys want my secret to the perfect green smoothie every single time, check out that free guide. It's down below. And this is what I'm gonna have before we work out. Also, this really cute white opaque glass straw is so cute. We have it on the shop. It's like a newer edition, and I'm just obsessed with it. We have bent ones, and Matt, do we have straight white ones or just bent? Straight. We have all the sizes. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this, go to the gym, and then I will see you back for lunchtime. Bye. All right, it is lunchtime. I'm actually craving a recipe that I shared a few weeks ago. It's a tuna melt, and I actually shared 10 toast recipes, but today I'm gonna do the tuna melt, and I'm actually gonna do it in a closed sandwich, kind of like a grilled cheese, and I'm gonna grill it on a pan. It is so good. I shared this a few weeks ago also on Insta stories, and you guys were like drooling over it. It is so yummy. I don't know, I think tuna is like you love it or you hate it. I love it, and with like the cheese melted on top, like grilled cheese, it's so good. So I'm gonna have that, and I was gonna make some soup, like heat up some soup from a can, but I think I'm just gonna have some like fruit or carrot sticks on the side. But let's go make that. I already have the salad prepped and ready to go in the fridge, so I'm just gonna put it all together. And that's what I like about meal prepping. Tuna salad is something that you can make on a Sunday night and have it for the next few days, and it's not gonna go bad. So let's make some lunch because I am quite hungry, and it's like 12:30 right now. Here is my delicious lunch. I'm honestly so obsessed with this sandwich. Like, it's so good. Like, look at that. Look at that. Okay. It's amazing. Also, if you don't know what this amazing kind of dark red orange is, it's a blood orange. There's also carrot oranges, which are kind of like more of a pinky red, and they're so flavorful, and they're out right now in my grocery store, so I picked a huge bag of them up, and I just have that on the side with my sandwich. I'm gonna go enjoy this, do a little work, and I'm thinking for snack time, I'm probably gonna make banana bread. I have a bunch of like super ripe bananas that are just like screaming to be turned into bread. So I'm gonna make that, and yeah, it's like so stormy outside. I'm feeling like some cozy carbs and baked goods. So I'm gonna do that in a little bit, but for right now, I'm gonna go enjoy this. Just made a cup of some Rooibos Tea. I will link the brand that I've been loving down below in the info box, but I just put some unsweetened almond milk in it, and I'm gonna have this with the delicious banana bread muffins that I just made. I have them here, and oh my god, so good. I like to like crumble some walnuts on top and some extra chocolate chips because you can't have too much chocolate, and they're just honestly so good, especially around this time of year. If you have some overripe bananas, make this banana bread. I have a recipe on my blog already, although I am playing around with a new recipe, but I will link a recipe down below that you guys can check out. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy this for a little afternoon snack, and I will see you guys for dinner. Health nuts, there you have it. That is everything I ate today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it gave you some inspiration on what you guys can make for your own meals during the week. And if you guys also want to sign up for our Health Nut Shop newsletter, we are doing 15% off your first purchase when you sign up. I will have a link down below. If you didn't know, Matt and I run an online wellness shop called healthnutshop.com, where we sell anything from like my gemstone bracelet that I wear every day to sustainable, eco-friendly kitchen items. We have self-care items, and we're always adding more and more products to the shop every single week. We have a lot of new avocado merch coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. But if you guys want to save some money, definitely check out the link below. Sign up to the newsletter. We really email every like other week or so we don't bombard your email with a bunch of spam. But yeah, come check out the shop if you haven't already. We would love for your support, your feedback. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can hit that red subscribe button down below. I post on this channel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!